Several other institutional investors have also recently made changes to their positions in the company. Edmund de Rothschild Holding SA bought a new stake in shares of iShares MSCI Japan ETF during the second quarter, valued at about $6,084,000. BlackRock Incorporated raised its position in shares of iShares MSCI Japan ETF by 12.9% during the second quarter. BlackRock Incorporated now owns 25,630,502 shares of the exchange-traded fund stock valued at $1,375,076,000 after buying an additional 2,935,966 shares in the last quarter. Vestor Capital LLC grew its position in iShares MSCI Japan ETF by 4.2% in the second quarter. Vestor Capital LLC now owns 114,662 shares of the exchange-traded fund stock worth $6,152,000 after acquiring an additional 4,657 shares in the last quarter. Empirical Finance LLC bought a new position in iShares MSCI Japan ETF in the second quarter, valued at $1,232,000. Finally, Northwestern Mutual Wealth Management Company lifted its stake in iShares MSCI Japan ETF by 8.7% during the second quarter. Northwestern Mutual Wealth Management Company now owns 39,660 shares of the exchange-traded fund stock worth $2,128,000 after purchasing an additional 3,161 shares during the last quarter. Shares of iShares MSCI Japan ETF, New York Stock Exchange (EWJ), opened at 55.71 on Monday. iShares MSCI Japan ETF has a 52-week low of $48.79 and a 52-week high of $55.83. The company has a 50-day moving average price of $54.71 and a 200-day moving average price of $53.27. Shares MSCI Japan ETF, the fund, formerly iShares MSCI Japan Index Fund, is an exchange-traded fund. The fund seeks to provide investment results that correspond generally to the price and yield performance, before fees and expenses, of publicly traded securities in the Japanese market, as measured by the MSCI Japan Index. The index,